Okay, welcome back. So here's one of our constructions we've been asked to do, to divide the line segment for PQ, this line segment, into 4 segments without measuring it. Okay, so the method is to create part of what a similar triangle, or just draw in an acute line segment like this. We will divide that into 4 equal parts. Just use the length of a segment of my finger, thereabouts. Make sure don't go too long on it. And they could go up to 5 if they do that. Even be more careful about not being too long. Careful about placing your point each time. So that's 3, that's 4, and that's 5. And while an intersection does create a point, it's a good idea to mark your points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we're going to take my preferred set square is the 30, 60, 90, because it just has these extra long lengths and it's just more convenient. Okay, and I'm going to use the middle section there like this, and I'll set up my ruler as a sliding option, as an option to keep parallel. Okay, so that's my first line in. Technically speaking, you could omit that one. 2, 3, just going to lock in here and lock this. 4, 5. Now just notice that my bevel is twisted the wrong way on this. I might have been better off this way, but either way the bevel didn't seem to matter. The bevel is the way the side of the set square kind of curves, and there's a correct setting. That's upside down essentially. If the numbers are upside down, then it's upside down. But it didn't affect me too much here. Oh dear God, have I done too many? I've done too many. I've done 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's a mistake, and I'd have to rub it out, and that's why we always work in pencil. But look, I'm going to set it. We pretend that word there was 5, and we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry about that. Made a mistake again. It happens. Okay, this or tell you what. Let's say I'm in an exam. I do need to correct it, but I'll only correct what I need to correct. So let's take all the markings off the original line segment, and then let's go back and do what we should have done. Now we still have 4 perfectly good segments. So from here, and I can correct my beveling this way now and have that here. So obviously that was going in the wrong direction. So now this is the corrected version of it. 1. And this is a very important part. This is problem solving at its best, in that I was kind of fixing, knowing I'd gone wrong, but not starting again from scratch. So that's parallel 2, that's parallel 3, and this is parallel 4. So now I have this length, this length, this length, and this length all equal. Okay, how does it work? It works based on the fact that equally spaced parallel lines like these are, putting 4 of them there, cut out equal line intervals, equal congruent line intervals as you make a transition between them regardless. So it's as if these parallel lines have one line cutting across less acutely than the other. So it'd be a bit like this. Like this is where this is what we wanted to achieve, and we start off up along here this way. Okay, I'm off picture there. Just trying to show you this. Okay, as always, students, I'll see you in the next one.